Hey y'all, I'm Tucker Hamilton with National Equipment Dealers. I'm out of the Savannah branch. I'm the rental coordinator. I just want to talk a little bit about the HX160AL. This is a great machine. It's great for transport as well. It's only 8 feet 6 inches wide. It weighs 40,000 pounds. The track pads are only 24 inches wide. So I mean, this is a great machine for transportation. It's got a lot of power. One thing about this unit is we've got a lot in the fleet right now. So we're actually doing really good financing rates right now. We're doing 0% for 36 months. We're also doing 3% for 72 months. So there's a really good deal right now, especially with financing rates getting up around 6%. Let me know if you need anything. You give me a call at 912-581-9379.